Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to solve simple problem in Windows 11. Problem is the DNS server isn't responding and our internet is not working. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem very simple way. First of all, close it. Now we just go to the start at here and just type control panel and click on the control panel. Okay, in control panel, just go to the network and sharing center. Just go to the network and sharing center. Okay, double click on it or click on it. Here we find change adapter settings. Just click on the change adapter settings. Okay, now here we find our all adapters, internet adapters or Wi-Fi. Just go to the Wi-Fi that not working or the internet or ethernet connection that not working. In this case, this internet connection is not working, so I just right click on it and just go to the properties. Okay, in properties, I just go to the internet protocol version 4. Here we find internet protocol version 4. Just click at here and just go to the properties. Okay, at here we find DNS. Our problem is DNS, so just click at here. Use the following DNS server addresses. Okay, and just type the number that I give. Okay, at here just type this DNS number or just type Google DNS number. I also give the Google DNS number and many other DNS number. Just type any DNS number that you like. I'm just typing this DNS number. Just type this DNS number, Google DNS number or any other DNS number that I give and just click on the OK. Just click on the OK. Now just close it. Now just go to our browser. Okay, and just go to the Google or any site that you want and we can see our site or our internet is working on our PC. If you're using Wi-Fi connection, then just reconnect your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi must be work. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simple problem. DNS server not responding in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.